Hi loves! Welcome back to my vlog. As you know, I love sharing, renting, and swapping clothes with my girls. It's such a great way to try new styles and frequently add pieces to your wardrobe without buying them. So, I've joined her and I will upload my spring closet clean out to the platform this Sunday. Make sure to follow the countdown over on my Instagram. I have also connected with some of you to share why you swap, share, or rent clothes.
I share because fashion is one of the most polluting industries and there are already so many cute styles out there, so why not take advantage of it?
I love fashion, to own rare items and discover new upcoming designers. However, it's expensive and occupies a lot of space that I don't currently have in my Upper East Side studio. Sharing allows me to do all of that and at the same time make some pocket money.
I share because it's really hard to be an Instagrammer on my budget. My followers on Instagram and TikTok expect the freshest styles, and I can't repeat outfits.
As a mommy to be out there buying new clothes just for a 9-month period would be so expensive and wasteful. So why not just rent them or share them with other pregnant women? This is how I can still look beautiful without any commitment of ownership.
I know what you think, guys. I was skeptical at first too. It just seems so much more personal to share my clothes than it does to share a car through Uber and Lyft or even an Airbnb apartment. And to be completely honest with you, my first sharing experience wasn't great, but her took such good care of me and let me return and try something else. Ever since, I'm absolutely in love. And the whole system of renting, sharing, and swapping makes it so simple to give clothes you've never worn a second life.
We're so picky about our clothes, but in the end someone has actually tried on the items you buy before you buy them in the shop. So sharing will actually save the planet. And if you send them, you can actually send them by bicycle or repack, and it's even more environmental friendly.
I was skeptical at first, especially because the clothes I rent are not cheap. But her offers amazing insurance policies and I never had a problem so far. And I can even get money to buy more designer clothes.
I was afraid that the products could be fake. My followers would all unfollow me. But her has a very strict admission policy, and so far, so good. I'm currently saving up for a new Gucci belt, and I figured I could rent out some of my ex's maternity clothes.
At first I was concerned about fit and hygiene, especially being pregnant, but her is seriously the best cleaning service. Also, you can return clothes that don't fit you or that you don't like so easily. It's incredible.
There's so many ways to give fashion sharing a try. Whether you want to try a new style but not commit, frequently change outfits, only have a temporary need, clear your closet, or you might need some extra cash, sharing might be right for you. Now, don't forget to follow my account over on my Instagram to see what gems are hidden in my closet.